Good morning, students. My name is Kayla Stafford, and I'm your instructor. I just wanted to touch base with you today before our first Zoom on Friday, September the 4th. We will meet at 11 o'clock using the recurring Zoom link that I posted in announcements, and I'll take you back to that link. So I'm at the moreheadstate.edu homepage, and we click on Blackboard and type in our credentials and log into Blackboard. And your course is English 100. The section is 600. So the first announcement that you see explains that you need to read the course syllabus and complete the syllabus quiz. I have also posted the email addresses and availability times of a list of MSU students that will be serving as teacher observationists in our course, but we're going to use them as tutors for writing. They're all juniors, seniors, or students getting their master's degrees in teaching writing. So they are going to be a very helpful part of this course. Notice that there is a tutoring schedule link. So if you click that doc, you have the ability to edit this doc. So let's take special care when we are adding our names. Any of these open spots are for you to add your name and get tutoring. Now, we will make a new calendar or a new tutoring schedule each week. So this is for September the 6th, Sunday the 6th, through Saturday the 12th. So if you are working on your first paper, you can go ahead and sign up for tutoring, but if you don't need any tutoring that week, then of course you don't need to sign up, and then we'll post a new one each week. Here is the Zoom link that we will use. It is a recurring link, so just copy and paste it from the announcement into a new tab on your computer so that you can Zoom with me and your classmates. If for some reason you cannot attend the Zoom, then please email me and let me know, and I will try to work something out with you as far as making sure that you get the information. I'm always available from 7 to 8 a.m. and other times as well. And some of you may not need that time to meet as a class. You may be able to work through the weekly units without a lot of guidance. I just want to make sure that I am available for you during the week so that I can explain and you can ask questions. So hopefully you have clicked start here, and there's some information about navigating the course syllabus, and then you click on what's next, which is Unit 1, Introduction to Writing. And when you click that link, it takes you to the weekly units. So when you click on weekly units, this is where you'll work through the course. So begin with week 1 and 2. Begin with the syllabus. You can watch these videos where I walk you through the syllabus and take the syllabus quiz. There are reading assignments, and some of you have explained that you have not got a book yet, and that's fine. You just catch up on the reading when you get your book. Then there is a practice assignment for you to complete. And when you click on that, there's the course syllabus, the textbook, and the practice assignment is at the end. Notice that all you have to do is create a Word document with your name, the instructor's name, the course and section and date, save the Word document, and name it your full name. Click Browse My Computer after you click on Practice Assignment. you just click Browse My Computer, and you just attach that Word document, and then you will hit Submit. So again, that's just a practice assignment. If you are finished with the practice assignment and you want to go on to week 2, then you can work through these slides and videos. So when you click, you're going to get a link to a Google Slides presentation entitled The English 100 MLA 8th Edition Formatting Crash Course. And you will work through and read each of these slides. Make sure you read and watch the videos. I recommend reading and rereading and then coming back to them as you format your essays. At the end of this slides presentation, there is an assignment for you to create, which is your own works cited page. I have created a Google Doc that you can use to get started, but you will need to click on it and then File and make a copy and change the copy of, and it's actually 2020, to your name. And then you have your own copy, and you can fill in each of these. So by double clicking on the header, you can change the last name to your last name. And then clicking in the body, change this information. And then I also copy and pasted the MLA formula to guide you and make sure that you do each of those citations correctly, because when you turn this assignment in, you will have 4 separate citations. I also posted a link on how to hang the indent. So you should make a copy of this and keep it in your own drive as well, because you will need it for every essay that you write in this class. As you can click through the weeks if you want, but we are not prepared for starting anything past weeks 1 and 2, because we have to master MLA formatting before you move on. You also have to have your book for the first essay, because if you click on that essay or if you click on instructions, you see that you have to read chapter 23. Now, if you have your book and you want to go ahead and read chapter 23 to be preparing, then I understand and I would do that as well. If you ever have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to email me. I am working from home and teaching all my courses, and I would love to help you. If you email me and you don't get a reply within 24 hours, then please email me again, because I didn't get that message. So I want to make sure that I'm available for you, and if you need any help, I'm right here. If worse comes to worse and you cannot get a hold of me, then I'm going to create a forum in the discussion board. For any questions or concerns. And I'm actually going to put a point on this, not because I want to grade those, but because then any questions will show up in my to be graded. So if I forget to check the discussion board, it will show up and I will grade that. I will answer that question. I don't mean I'll grade it. So here is another place for you to post questions, and that'll also help you help one another. And finally, introduce yourself to me. If you have not already written your introduction to this course and to myself, please do so. I created one for you so that you could get to know a little bit about me, but it says there's an error. Is that what it says when you click on it? That isn't very fair, is it? I will see if I can fix that. Okay, I hope that you all have a great rest of your week. I hope that I see you on Friday at 11 o'clock. Every one of my classes meet, so I want to make sure that I say the right time and I have them hanging right above my computer so that I don't miss any of my Zoom meetings. And please feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you. Thank you.